Hey, this is Luke with Pinnacle Fitness, and if you're over the age of 50 and you suffer from low back pain, this is the workshop for you. I've been running this workshop for over 5 years. We've helped hundreds of people alleviate their back pain, and in some cases, eliminate their back pain. How do we do it? Well, unfortunately, I was a college discus, shot put, and hammer thrower, and I competed until I was 32 years old at the Olympic level, and it left me riddled with bulging discs, cracked vertebra, and just constant back pain. I was convinced that I needed a solution that didn't involve prescription medication, didn't involve surgeries. So I really had to go back to work in terms of how I could fix my body. And little did I know that the system that I created would be the system that I use in the gym to help all of my clients. I used to have back episodes every 4 months. I haven't had one now for 11 years. So it takes some work, it takes consistency, but if you put in the time, you can feel like a whole new person. So if you want to learn the techniques to help heal my back and keep me pain-free for the last 11 years, click the link below, sign up for the low back workshop on Saturday, August 24th, and I hope to see you there.